Students, today we are going to start exercise 6.3. So let us come and see here. Student, it is the question number 1 of exercise 6.3 which we have given. In this question we have given sides QP, this is the side QP, and RQ, this is the side RQ, are produced to the point S and T. Okay. Angle SPR, this angle is given 135 degree. Angle PQT, this angle, exterior angle PQT, is given 110 degree. We want to find angle PRQ. We want to find this angle. Okay students, so you write given yourself to find, we want to find angle PRQ. Now students, I left this proof, the proof of this question for you. Let us see here. Students, this is angle 1. So angle 1 plus angle SPR are linear pair angles, so their sum is 180 degree. Then you find angle 1. Then students, you have to find angle 2. This and this angle are also linear pair angles, so you find angle 2. Then by angle sum property, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle PRQ, their sum is 180 degree, then you find angle PRQ. So students, do your question yourself. Now question number 2. In this question, student, this angle X is 62 degree. Angle XYZ, this whole angle is 54 degree. Ray YO and ZO are the bisectors. This is the bisector of this whole angle, and this ZO is the bisector of this whole angle. So student, this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle. We want to find angle OZY, this angle, and angle YOZ, this angle. Okay students, तो सबसे पहले students, what we have to do in its proof, in triangle XYZ, this angle YXZ, plus this angle XYZ, plus this whole angle XZY. The sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. We know that this angle is 54 degree, this angle is 62 degree. Then we find angle YZX. Then angle YZX is 64 degree. Okay students, now this angle is 54 degree students. So angle OYZ, this is the half of this whole angle, because this is the bisector. So angle OYZ is 54 by 2, yani 27 degree. Similarly, angle OZY, this is the half of this whole angle. Okay students, so angle OZY is half of 64 degree, because this whole angle is 64 degree. Then this angle is 32 degree. Now students, in this triangle YOZ, the sum of three angles is 180 degree. So angle OYZ plus angle OZY plus angle YOZ, their sum is 180 degree. This angle YOZ we want to find, this angle is 27, this angle is 32 degree, is equal to 180 degree. Then this is 59 degree, went to the left hand side, right hand side. तो एंगल वाई ओ जेड क्या आ गया स्टूडेंट्स, 180 माइनस 59, यानी कि 121 डिग्री. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. स्टूडेंट्स, you do this question yourself. I am giving you only hint. In this figure, AB parallel DE. Angle BAC, this angle is 35 degree. Angle CDE, this angle is 53 degree. And we want to find angle DCE. We want to find this angle students. Okay, DCE. So first of all, in its proof students, what we have to write? We have to write here, if this angle is 35 degree, then this angle is also 35 degree, because these are alternate interior angles. So if angle BAE is 35 degree, then angle DEC is 35 degree. Okay students, now by angle sum property, in triangle DCE, the sum of three angles is 180 degree, then 53 degree plus 35 degree plus this angle DCE, their sum is 180 degree, then you will find angle DCE. Okay students, now question number 4. This is very easy question, you can do yourself. In this question students, if the line PQ and RS intersect each other at this point T, okay, angle PRT is 40 degree, angle RPT, this is 95 degree, angle TSQ, this is 75 degree, we want to find angle SQT. We want to find this angle, students, SQT. Then students, in this question what will we have to do? In triangle PTR, the sum of three angles is 180 degrees. This angle is angle 1, so angle 1 plus this angle, their sum is 180 degree. You will find angle 1. Now angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because these are vertically opposite angles, so you will find angle 2. Now in this triangle STQ, the sum of three angles is 180 degree, then this angle 75 degree, you find angle 2, then you will find angle TQS. Okay students, you will do yourself. Now the students, question number 5. In this question, students, PQ is perpendicular on PS and PQ parallel to SR. Angle SQR, this is 28 degree. Okay students, angle QRT, this is 65 degree. We want to find the value of angle X and angle Y. Okay students, now students, here PQ is parallel to SR, okay, and this is the transversal RQ. So this whole angle PQR, is equal to angle QRT. These are alternate interior angles. Okay students, this angle PQR is the combination of two angles, angle X plus this angle 28. तो then PQR की जगह हमने क्या लिखा, angle X plus angle 28 degree is equal to QRT. 65 degree है, 28 degree. Now in right hand side, then angle X is equal to 37 degree. Okay students, now PQ is perpendicular on PS, so this angle is 90 degree. So in triangle PQS, students, sum of three angles is 180 degree. Now angle X, angle P plus angle X plus angle Y is equal to 180 degree. Angle P is 90 degree. Angle X is 37 degree. Then we will find angle Y, and then angle Y is 53 degree. Okay students, we are giving you the homework, first 5 questions of exercise 6.3. Okay, goodbye.